What is up, guys? It is the Sauce Master back in the kitchen, and today we have some amazing In-N-Out animal style fries. Now, I'm sure most of you don't know what that means, but we will be getting to it shortly. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. We're gonna be going for 3 uploads a week, hopefully, during this quarantine. So sit tight and let's start making these fries. Okay guys, so what the In-N-Out animal style fries are, it's French fries topped with cheese, then caramelized onions, and finally some of the In-N-Out special sauce. So I don't think anyone knows what exactly is in the In-N-Out special sauce, but from what I've read online, it's relish, ketchup, mustard, and mayo, mixed with some sugar and some vinegar. So mix these together in a bowl and I'm sure you'll have the sauce. Again, so before we do that, we have to caramelize some onions, and let's start chopping the onions. Okay guys, so let's start chopping some onions. So I don't really know how to chop onions. Oh wait, let's wash hands first. We don't want coronavirus. Okay, so I don't really know how to perfectly chop an onion, but we're gonna do it anyways. So cut it in half. Oh, I have to remove the peel first. I'm stupid. Let's take this layer off. I don't know what this layer is doing. And this one. Okay, so these onions are not minced, but we're getting there. Wait, you know what this calls for? Hold on. So we are pulling out the biggest knife in the house. I'm just gonna start doing this.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
One eternity later.
Okay, so we're done cutting the onions. Let's start caramelizing them. And while they're caramelizing, we'll start making our sauce. Let's go. Let's turn on the stove, put some oil, and now let's dump the onions. Okay, let's throw these onions in there. Add some water. This is so that the sugars remove from the onions, I think. I don't know, I'm just trying to sound smart, but I'm pretty sure you have to do that. So while these onions are caramelizing, let's start making our sauce. Okay, let's start making our sauce. So we're gonna put some ketchup, give it a little shake first. Put some mayo, some mustard, relish. Let's put a little bit of sugar. And I'll hold off on the vinegar for now, but if I think it needs it, we'll put it. This is what we've got, guys. A mixture of everything. Let's start mixing it up. Wait, the onions. Okay, they're good. Add some more water. Let's come back here. Okay, so we're gonna need a good amount of this sauce that's gonna go on all these fries. So I'm gonna put a bit more of everything. Okay guys, this sauce is ready. We have a lot of it. Let's go in for a quick taste test. Perfect. You know what? Screw the vinegar. This is awesome. Wait, the onions. Okay, so once they're dark brown, kind of like some of these over here, then we'll take them off. And I think we should start making the fries now. Okay guys, let's add some oil. I forgot to mention, this time we're using straight cut fries, not the wrinkly ones like last time. Let's cut open these fries. Okay, honestly guys, I think that's enough for the onions. So we're just gonna turn that off. Whoa, that was a lot of fire. We're gonna turn that off and just wait for these fries to finish cooking. Okay, so the fries are about done. Look at that color. And let's set them aside on this plate now. We've got our fries on a plate. Let's add our cheese while the fries are still hot so it can melt nicely. Now let's put our onions. Now that we're finished with the onions, let's go ahead and add our special In-N-Out style spread sauce. Okay guys, so check it out. These are our fries. Look at the colors. We have our deep browns, we have our yellow, we have our oranges. Oh my God. Here's a picture of what the normal In-N-Out ones look like, and here are mine. How did I do? Pretty good, eh? Let's go in and eat them, and see how they taste. Okay guys, so the fries are ready. Look at these. Let's start eating them, shall we? So right off the bat, we nailed the sauce. Now let's go in for a fry with some of the onion, the cheese, and the sauce. Oh my God, guys. The melty cheese gives it a soft texture. The crispy fries give it that strong texture. And then the onions and the sauce, it just all comes together perfectly. This is my first time making them homemade. And honestly, guys, I would definitely do this again, 100%. It's not the simplest thing in the world. Our previous video with the buffalo fries, that was a much simpler recipe. That's just fries and you just toss them in some sauce, which is buffalo and ranch together. If you're bored and you want to try something new, these are definitely something that you've never tasted before. Let me tell you that. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish these up and we'll talk soon. Okay guys, so as you can see here, we absolutely destroyed these fries. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys right now, these fries completely exceeded my expectations. I was, kind of skeptical as to what these were gonna turn out to be like, because this is my first time making the homemade In-N-Out style fries. I've had them twice before at the In-N-Out locations, and over there, they're not that great. The fries are they're homemade, so the fries go stale really quickly because they're so thin, and that with the toppings make them just jumble together and mush, and when you pick up one fry, the whole thing just plops up, and it's just a mess when you buy it over there. But honestly, we didn't have this problem here. They were as good, if not better, than what you find at In-N-Out. So honestly guys, I would recommend you guys to make these at home. It takes a little bit of work, it takes a while to caramelize onions, but honestly, I think it's totally worth the effort. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the kitchen next time. Peace out.